open. Wala mo daw. Saga. No open. Uy. Badi nadatugan mo ini. Ha? Nadatugan mo ini. Paano? Dapat pag mo ganun, paano na yan? Paano? Sabi ko baga sa iyo, di ka madalang kong recharge, kaya nakaraot yun.
Kaya, ito ang ganito. Alin mo ang
Di ka magamit ng nakacharge, di nakaraot.
Ay, magsunod pa na ko, no?
Ama. Saga.
Thank you. Oh my God. Bakit? Maudang ta si mama mo, papahibi ka. Maudang ko si mama mo. Paluin ko mama mo, baba. Paluin ko mama mo. Don't you know my name? If I saw you in heaven, it would be the same. Thank you, one people. Hi, I'm the real Ron Week. Hello po. Thank you for joining. What happened? Have a nice day. Good evening. Just tell me where do I start, 'cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Oh, hi, fiance. Fiance. Thank you so much. Fiance. Maybe my love will come back. Thank you, 3 people in the house. Hi, Alvin, Diana. Hello, kumusta? Kumusta ka, Alvin? Nangyari, nung ginagawa, pinagkakabalahan. Ni Alvin. Kumusta si Alvin? Zay, okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back. Alright. Hello, Renzo. Hi, Renzo. It's Renzo. Shout out sa'yo, Renzo.
Sino na pa na great?
Saga, kahit betin ko yun.
Kuya Ben?
Kaya Jerome. If I saw you in heaven, it would be the same. Taga saan kayo? Bicol po, Bicol. From Bicol.
Iya sa English.
Palagi mo na lang tinatanong yan, Renzo. Don't wanna let maybe my love will get there someday. Only beautiful. Edward. Hi, Edward. Beautiful hair. Thank you. Yeah, you like my hair. Uwi kasi ako bukas sa Bicol kaso hindi nakauwi sa 30th. Are you Italian? No, I'm not Italian. I'm Filipina. Asian. You're always 25 people. Thank you for the likes. Welcome. Thank you. I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada, California. Nice to meet you, Edward. USA. Hi, sure thing. Hello, welcome back. Sure thing. Thank you for joining me here again. Hi. You look awesome. Thank you, Edward. Thank you. Big Black. Kumusta? Okay lang. Thank you, Big Black. Nema. Hi. Marhay na balinggi. Mauran. Diyan sa Indo. Mauranon. Mauran, hindi sa amo. From Canada. Big Black from Canada. Thank you so much for joining from Canada. Thank you, Big Black. Mau. Mau. From Kimal. Hi, Kimal. Thank you for the lights. 20 people in the house. Thank you. Big Black. Sige, Sheryl. Sige, sige. Digdi sa Albay, ambon lang. Sana all ambon lang. Frederick Hunger. Hanggang. Ano ga? 25. 5 likes. 21 people. Salamat. Happy birthday to you. Did you just have shower? Yeah. Just finished. Look, my hair. Obviously. Merhaba. Sign ka mo sa Sorsogon. Basta, hanapin mo na lang ako dito sa Sorsogon.
Nagkabagsaman mo.
Big Black, thank you, Big Black. Thank you. So, do you like the horizontal? I don't know what is that. I don't know what's that. Run. Mitchell Vallejos. Hi. Ako sa Daraga. Kinda cool. Thank you so much. Beautiful from Michelle. Hi, Michelle. Michelle.
Mama, nagti naman pagkakas.
Body, CD yun. Battery na yun. Kaya mo, tagalin yung friends mo. Ano yun? Ako yung gamit mo na kayo. Sa battery yun. Wow, so gorgeous. Thank you, Michelle. Love, okay. 25. Believe in love. Love to see Carol. Good evening. Hi, Tony. Thank you, Tony, for joining. Gisini, beautiful day. Beautiful day today. Really will love you someday. Thank you for likes. Amazing dance. Thank you, Tony. Tony, big bite, Tony. Gisini mo. Thank you so much. God damn.
Weird. Ano na naman? Basta. Basta daw ba?
Thank you, 25. Water, hi Water. Cheryl, how's your mother? No, my father, not my mother. My mother is fine. My father is still sick. Still feels sick, but he's at home now. He will feel better. Tell me my love will come back someday. Oh my God. When, how are you, Water? Thank you for joining, Water. Thanks a lot. How old is your father? My father is he's 81 years old. 81. 81 years old. 81. God bless him. Thank you, Sir Water. Thank you, Water. And you. Hi, and you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Sorry.
Bali mama, tulog na sa jobs.
Para man kami school sa aga kay Moran.
Ay, eh.
Kinansil nga kanina ano kay Moran. Ano na nagtatag doon dito. Kaya man lumulos.
Matang, ana. Ako ka ba naman sa
Hindi sa'yo na hindi. Kaya man no.
Pupunta ka man naman na anga.
Puyo ka nakalive ako. I don't you remember my real name? Yeah, what is your real name, Water? Kaloka vestidinino fika maravilhosa. What it means? What? Animal. Hi Ezra, sure you look pretty tonight. Thank you, Ezra. What are you doing, Ezra? I'm good. Thank you for likes. Arthur of Art. Okay, Arthur of Art. Hi, Sir Arthur of Art. That's why. Maybe you put your name, not Water. Arthur of Art. So people recognize you because when you put the name, channel name as Water, so people know you it's Water. Arthur of Art. A nice name. Some Dart, no? You love dancing. Yeah, I love dancing. I like dancing. Why does it hurt me so? Maybe my love will come back sometimes. Only heaven.
Sumusunod ba bigla?
Same here, but now I have bad news. Oh, why? Why bad news? Bad news. He loves, yeah, both. Raining here. Hard raining here. Heavy rain. Heavy rain. Did you eat? Yeah, I already ate dinner early. Only maybe how to find anyway. Thank you so much. 39 people in the house. Thanks a lot. My God. 15 likes. Even love. Hi, water. Because working very hard when I was younger. Is that rain there now? Yeah, okay. I understand. So, how to about that? Rainy here, yeah. Raining. Hi, thank you, Big Lon. Thank you